Our Verizon Innovative Learning STEM Achievers Program is a free 4-week camp for middle school students. The focus is technological literacy, and students learn virtual reality, artificial intelligence and robotics, 3D design, and 3D printing.
I really liked making the 3D designing, and I got to design it and make it my own.
We're able to offer this program for free to our communities. We serve 175 middle school students every summer. Those who are interested to have their student in a program like this, it's available, and we are just so excited that we are able to offer this.
It's a lot of fun, and there's multiple things that you can learn and do.
It's pretty fun. You get to do a lot of stuff. You get to learn a lot of things.
It's a very interesting and a fun experience with a lot of coding and a lot of field trips.
Even if they don't want to be a scientist or work in STEM at all after this, for them to be able to not be afraid when new software or new device is placed before them, that's what I want for them, to be confident and comfortable with technology.